Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix black myth Wukong game shutting or the lagging problem. I will show you guys the different solution that you need to apply to fix this problem. So first right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys, here you just need to disable all the background application or just close all the background application. You will see the memory or the CPU on the top. If these are above the 90%, then this means it's the danger symbol. So you just need to disable or close all the background application from here. Now on the top you will see the application that are consuming the most of your CPU or RAM or the GPU. So make a right click on that and click on the end task. Then just go to the startup and here you just need to disable all the application from here, because these applications start automatically without your permission when you start your PC and causing a lot of CPU or the RAM usage without your permission. And obviously when your CPU or RAM is more consuming, your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable, then go to the Windows search, and the next important setting is the system configuration setting. So just open up this with the Windows search, then just go to the boot, then just click on the advanced option, then just check this box of the number of processors and just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value, then just select here the maximum. This will increase your game performance. Then just click on OK. Then just go to the services you are seeing on the top. And guys, here just check this box of the hide all Microsoft services, then just click on the disable all, because these are also the useless services that are running on your PC and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and your game crash. Then just click on the apply, then just click on the OK. Then you must need to restart your PC to fix any kind of shuttering or lagging issues. Then just launch the game and hope sure any kind of shuttering or the lagging problem will be fixed after the solution. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.